How to download Roblox Studio on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. First, open any web browser, suppose Google Chrome. Now you are required to search for Roblox Studio and select the first link. Then you simply need to have to log into your Roblox account if you haven't already. Now you need to tap on the share icon at bottom. If you are on iPhone or if you are on Android, then you can easily select three dots at top right and you have to add to home screen. Now you can easily choose the name for the shortcut. So you can easily type in Roblox Studio. And after that, tap on install button. And then when you come across your home screen of Android device, you can easily see the shortcut of Roblox Studio. And after that, you can easily access Roblox Studio at any time from your home screen. So that is how we can download Roblox Studio on Android and get it on home screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.